CHGG Stock Analysis and CHGG Stock Prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I have been in the market for 5 years. I have done 40,000 videos, and with all that to say, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Chegg, it's decent. I'm looking to take it further up beforehand. That's what I was kind of hoping to kind of do, and it actually played quite alright. This demand area did kind of hold, and it was a very, very key level because bounced off of it, then reversed. And I can tell you that I don't think the higher time frame bullish side has died out. This whole thing is a great demand zone, and I'm not going to just give up on it like that. Like, I must see my rules met in order for me to buy, but you bet I'm ready to pull the trigger if push comes to shove, right? And I do have a lot of previous receipts in my Discord regarding Chegg as well, so stay tuned. If you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.